right, welcome back, everyone. We're diving deep today, get this, into a smart kitchen scale.
A smart kitchen scale.
Yeah, you heard that right. But this isn't just any scale. This thing's basically like having a personal nutritionist right there on your countertop.
Okay, I'm intrigued. I mean, we see a lot of kitchen gadgets come and go, but a scale that doubles as a nutrition expert.
Exactly. It's the Etekcity Smart Food Kitchen Scale. Someone set this in, and, well, we had to take a closer look.
So what makes it so smart?
Well, aside from, accurately weighing your food, this thing breaks down the nutritional content of pretty much anything you put on it. Like, think calories, macros, vitamins, minerals, the whole works.
Hold on, so it's not just telling you, okay, this chicken breast weighs 6 ounces, it's giving you a full nutritional breakdown.
Boom, right on the money. It connects to an app on your phone, and bam, there's all your data.
That's pretty impressive.
Right.
And maybe this is just me, but is that level of detail really necessary for the average person?
Loving this. Don't miss what's next. Hit subscribe, like for more, and share with someone who is a fan for this product too. Your quick action helps us keep creating. Now that is the million-dollar question, isn't it? I mean, some people might find it super motivating, like really dive deep into their food choices.
Yeah, for those folks, it could be game-changing, especially if you're, I don't know, managing your weight, training for something, or just super into knowing exactly what you're putting in your body.
Right, like this thing has a database of over 1 million food items. It's wild.
Yeah.
And you can even create custom entries for your own recipes.
Oh, wow, that's a neat feature. I can see how that would be helpful. But on the other hand, some people might find that much info overwhelming, maybe even a bit anxiety-inducing.
I hear you. Could it become a bit obsessive? It's a valid concern, right? Food is meant to be enjoyed too, not just analyzed down to the milligram.
Exactly. Striking that balance is key. It's about utilizing the technology mindfully without letting it dictate your entire relationship with food.
Totally agree. And it's interesting because this whole thing taps into this bigger trend we're seeing with personalized health tech, smartwatches, DNA testing kits. Now this, we're all about tracking and optimizing everything these days.
And that can be amazing. Having access to all this data can help us make informed decisions about our health.
Totally. This Etekcity scale, it even syncs up with fitness trackers like Fitbit and Apple Health. So if you're tracking your steps and activity, all your food data goes right along with it.
Ah, see, that's where it gets really interesting. It becomes less about just a scale and more about integrating it into a whole health ecosystem.
Right. Super convenient. But at the end of the day, is it for everyone? Probably not. It really depends on your personality or your goals. Some people thrive on data, others prefer a more intuitive approach.
Absolutely. And let's not forget the potential downsides. I mean, as cool as all this technology is, could it make us lose sight of the simple joy of eating?
That's such a great point. Focusing too much on the numbers might take away from the experience of just savoring a delicious meal, connecting with friends and family over dinner.
Right. There's a social, emotional aspect to food that's just as important as the nutritional side.
So, to sum it up, this Etekcity Smart Food Kitchen Scale is a seriously cool piece of tech. It's accurate, it's convenient, and it gives you a crazy amount of info about your food.
But here's the takeaway, folks. Think about your relationship with food and technology. Could a gadget like this help you achieve your goals, or would it potentially lead to an overly obsessive focus on numbers?
Thanks for listening, everyone. And before you go, hit that subscribe button, give us a like if you enjoyed this deep dive, and share it with a friend who might find this whole smart kitchen scale thing as interesting as we did. Catch you on the next one.